Hey guys, it is me Ubaid, and today I will talk about GPT-5. Obviously, it is just launched yesterday, and I will talk about specific to voice AI and how I think it will be useful or not useful in the domain of voice AI agents in general, right? So now obviously it is launched. Now every company which is in the like front of the voice AI, they will just adopt this, and it should be right, and that will be pretty fast. I don't know if they have already published it on their socials, but I'm sure like the developers are like, you know hitting hard on keyboards to get this integrated already, right? So Retell, VAPI, LiveKit, I think they all will be compatible with it. So here is my take on, and obviously I was also trying to do, and I think I have done it the right way, but it asked me to verify the organization from OpenAI to stream that model, because in voice you have to stream it live, right? So GPT-5, I'm using their mini model, but they asked me to verify. I have just done it, so I think they are just asking me to wait for 15 minutes. I will tell you how you can do it, but here is this thing: learning how to integrate, that is a different thing. Using it for your clients or for your own business is a different thing, right? So here is my take on that. So my thoughts on this are: so why we're using voice AI particularly in calling agents or AI calling agents as of now. So I've been working from in this domain from like ever since this real time API comes from the OpenAI. I think after that there was actual boom in this calling agents, right? So you will call someone and or some business, and their AI agent will attend your call and respond to that, right? So that will be the thing, or that is the thing, right? But what are we using it for? We're using it like, I have seen like 80% of the time or like 90% of the time it is a receptionist use case. It is like booking appointment, managing, like canceling appointment, updating, all of that, and the FAQs about your business. Let's say you are a hotel owner, so it will have the knowledge base and it will answer your or the customers queries about your business, right? Now these are all just kind of easy tasks. So anyone with a simple IQ, or like anyone who can actually have the right tools, they should be able to do these tasks. Now the point is, you don't hire a scientist or a scientist level person to sit on a reception or like do these kind of tasks, right? I can't think of calling agents to do anything more than that, because when you call, it just a light form of work. It is not like you are doing multi-billionaire deals on like phone calls, right? It has to be somewhere in the complex workflows, right? So I don't think particularly you should go for, and like you should pay for GPT-5 just to power up your receptionist or like your common voice AI agents which is being used in the industry, right? So that was my take on this. If you know resonate with that, or if you have any opinion, you can share in the comments. And you if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out on the email or the WhatsApp and we can discuss about how we can build things together if we resonate, obviously. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care. And now, with that being said, I will still integrate this and I will let you know how you can do it. So it's like all your decision if you want to use it, right? Maybe you want like just to be compatible with the highest version possible, so that can be the only thing I can think of. Otherwise, like, build your use case so that it can be helpful, right? It is good in coding, it is good in doing a lot of things, but your GPT-4 can handle these tasks easily. You don't have to migrate or shift towards GPT-5. Okay, thank you, bye bye.